Hello and welcome! It's time for unboxing or toy opening video. First I'll unbox some toys and then I'll be opening some toys I bought from a shop today when I was shopping. But let's start from this box that arrived today. What? I don't like sound of it. It's like something is loose in there. Well, let's see what's that all about. So, it's the return of the knife. And let's open the knife. And now, let's open the package. Okay. And here comes the first cut. Okay. I don't think I'll need this anymore. And then, let's see. Packing list. Okay. And then there's nothing loose in there. I don't know what the rattle sound was, but let's see. Let's take this one first. Let's see what it is. Well, you probably can guess about what this is supposed to be, because this white box probably is very familiar looking. This is the Stinky Guy Stingo from Masters of the Universe Classics line. And now you probably know the second item. It is Mr. New Adventures Evil Mutant Guy Slushhead from the Masters of the Universe Classics line. Okay, and box is empty. So let's take these out of their white boxes. They are not coming out from their plastic prisons yet. Okay, at least it is Slushhead, if I get it out. These new boxes are kind of snug. They are just about fitting. Okay. But yeah. Here it is, Slushhead. Calamar, or whatever. Doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look any better than I was thinking it looking. Okay, so Slushhead can go there. And then it's the Stinky Guy. I have no idea what it's supposed to smell, but at least this box smells like pretty much like Mossman. And who knows, maybe Metal has made a mistake and made my Stingo pine fresh. No, that other box smells that too. It's not Stingo smell. Well, Stingo looks better than Slushhead. No air holes. Product has real smell. It's fun. Yes, it's always fun when something smells. Unlike my Mossman, I can't smell this through the package. my Mossman, when it was in package, it was many feet away from me, and I still could smell it through the plastic package. This, nothing. Well, maybe I smell it when I open it at some point. It won't be now, but it will be later. So that's the unboxing part of the video. And now, if you're afraid of ponies, please turn off this video, because the toy opening part will be ponies. Yes, it will be these series, blind bag series 4 ponies I bought today. And let's see what's inside. Well, if I look the product codes correctly, this should be what I wanted. But of course you have no idea what I wanted, so let's see. Well, there was others I wanted too, but I decided that I'll go and pick them up later if they're still available, because these were the ones I wanted most. Okay, and let's start with this one. And let's see what's inside. It's a nice looking package. Oh well, it's going to open now. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. It is one of what I wanted. And what it is? It's metallic pink Pinkie Pie. Yeah. Then, and here's the character card and back. Okay. Then the next one, this one here. Let's open this. Let's see. Okay. Another selection made correctly. And it is silver rarity. And you probably can guess what the other one of those two remaining is, because if you guess that I wanted all of these special edition versions from this wave or series, will be correct. And here is the character card. And the back. Actually, I'm on my own website where I've scanned the cards from the previous blind bag figures I have. I actually named this side front and this back, but I don't care. Okay, and then it's this one next. Maybe I can get this undamaged, because I'd like to scan this back. Okay, almost. It is the final special edition version from this series. It is Gold Applejack. She has gold paint on her eye. Oh well. And then the character card. And the other side. Okay. Let's put Applejack there. And the last one. Well, it's not special edition. At least it's not supposed to be. And if you know my favorite character, you know what's supposed to be in here. And if this is what it's supposed to be, it's the same one that was released in as special edition version in either Blind Bag Series 1 or 2. And let's see. It is so much glitter. Yeah. It is glittering Fluttershy. If you can make the cutie mark, because that sunlight is kind of, well, not very good thing in this case. Oh, so glittery. And those other figures I also want from this series. Other 5 from the main 6 in glittery form. Of course, those are basically the same ones that were released as special edition figures in series 1 and 2. Well, I think I read that some of those are actually a little bit different color, but basically they should be the same. But I don't have those special editions from those series, so at least I have now a chance. I don't care about all random ponies. Well, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe I'm getting glittery Trixie, but that would be probably it from the out of the main 6. At least on this series. The series 5 should have Princess Celestia and many great things coming, but it won't be in soon. Well, maybe in fall. And here's the character card for Fluttershy. Chancelot? What? Okay. You may see that middle pony, Chancelot. Yeah. It's not only Masters of the Universe that rips off Sir Lancelot. Maybe, well, I think it's he. So I think he might make a very, very good steed for Sir Lancelot. Yeah. If they ever make steed for Sir Lancelot, I'm calling it Chance-a-lot. Yeah. But that's about it for now. We'll see each other next time with some next video. But until then, well, yeah, it's goodbye for now. Bye.